Hey developers, welcome back to HCCT. I'm Hamid, and today we are going to diving into the world of Next.js. In this video, we are going to talking about file collocation and route convention. Ready to level up? So let's roll. Next.js helps you navigate through your web application, providing guidelines for a structure without being too rigid. Let's delve into file organization in Next.js. In Next.js, each folder in your project represents a specific route. Today, we'll focus on understanding this concept. For example, consider creating a dashboard inside the app folder. This new route won't be accessible until you add a page.js or page.tsx file. This file essentially defines the content for that route. As an illustration, let's add a report.tsx file inside dashboard. Here, we create a basic React component for a report. When we visit localhost 3000 dashboard, we may encounter a 404 error. This happens until we define the content in a page.tsx file. Notably, only the content returned by page.tsx is sent to the client. So it's crucial to export a default React component in page.tsx. For instance, if we create a dashboard component without exporting it, in dashboard, create a page.tsx file. After create a page.tsx React function, and here, if remove export default here, when run this, will encounter error. Otherwise, export the default function in page.tsx. They ensure proper rendering of your component on the client side. So here, export, I write export default and report function, report, export default, report, my report. If run dashboard, we can see dashboard page with my report text. Remember, you can organize your file within or outside the app directory. For example, I can create a components folder for my UI library in components. For instance, a separate components folder outside the app directory is valid. The flexibility allows you to structure your project according to your preference. In addition to file organization, Next.js provides features to further organize your project. Stay tuned for upcoming videos to explore these features.